AfroGirl, and welcome to Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. Let's start with our very first story. Now we are moving to, the TikTok world. Ghanaian TikTok sensation Asantewaa and her brother are facing severe backlash on the internet following rumors that she was involved in leaking nude photos of her brother's ex-girlfriend. In a video that has since gone viral, Asantewa's brother Keveli was accused of having a relationship with this TikTok lady, but he later decided to end it. The lady apparently refused to accept the breakup and was allegedly threatening Asantewaa and her brother, and in retaliation, her nudes were allegedly leaked online by Asantewaa. But you know what? Word on the street is that this lady is a 17-year-old minor, and apparently this is what she does, allegedly, please. This is what she does. She likes to associate herself with people on TikTok, and she went to see Keveli in Kumasi, and he shares, an apartment or a house with Asantewaa. So she went with her friend. She and Keveli went to do something in their bedroom. And then now it's time to sleep. But he said, you know what, it's just a 2-bedroom. If you are with me in the room, we can leave your friend on the couch. So take this 150 cedis, go to a hotel, and, we'll meet tomorrow. That kind of vibe. I do not know, and I cannot confirm whether the 150 cedis was for the hotel or he had already paid for, the hotel that she was going to sleep in. But after everything, the next day, she calls him asking, you know what, you're not coming, so what's up? Can you give me, transport to go home? And apparently he didn't budge. He said she should use the 150 cedis. But Kumasi to Accra, VIP, there are 2, all of that. I don't think the 150 cedis was enough. So she was still trying, and eventually she had to go and ask Asantewaa. And it became a long thing, and allegedly, Asantewaa sent her a number of nude pictures that choose your choice. Which one do you want us to leak? Because if you continue this, we'll leak it. And apparently, allegedly, she did on her Snapchat about 10 minutes after. So it's a whole thing that's happening on TikTok. Everybody sort of has their version. They are saying that this young lady, is it Ama Official? Yes, they are saying that this is something that she does often. Every time she's asking people for, transport money and all of that. It's a lot of things. My own is she's a minor. So no matter what is happening, I do not care, and I don't want to know the other side of the story. You are not supposed to be having such relations with a minor. She's 17 years. It doesn't matter what you think. She's 17 years. At the end of the day, you are not supposed to be doing certain things with these people. And again, I just want to throw a word of caution there. It's really TikTok fame, social media fame. Is it worth it? Is it really worth it? Is this something that you should, die over? Charlie. But then again, this is the era we are living in, and so I guess this is what comes with the era. But let us know what you think in the comments. Let us hear what you have heard on the streets on TikTok in the comment section. But moving on, Ghanaian hip life musician Patapa has claimed that the Vodafone Ghana Music Awards scheme has been cursed by God. He made this known in a recent interview, and he shared that he has still not gotten over the loss of the most popular song of the year award in the 2018 edition of the award scheme. It will be recalled that he was nominated alongside other artists with high hopes of winning that category with his hit song One Corner. Unfortunately, he lost to Fancy Gadam's Total Cheat. He shared that he sees that God has placed a curse on the organizers of the VGMA because of what they did to him. He explained that what he means by curse is, he's saying when we curse, it means that you are being punished for causing pain to someone. I don't know, but this seems like him admitting that he's still not, over the pain of him not winning. But then again, guys, if you think about it, that particular year, if you hold Fancy Gadam's Total Cheat and you hold One Corner, would you say that Total Cheat was more popular than One Corner? Be honest with yourselves. Because One Corner wasn't just even popular in this country. It went far. It went really far. So many people around the world were doing, the One Corner dance challenge with that came with the song and everything. Like, we saw videos of him even traveling outside the country and to do shows and host shows, and we saw how people were going crazy about the song. So I mean, I sort of understand where he's coming from. But what do you think? Guys, moving on to our last story. Netflix has announced their new limited documentary series called Ladies First, a story about women in hip-hop. This timely limited documentary series recontextualizes the irrepressible women of hip-hop and their role in the genre's 50 years by reinserting them into the canon where they belong, at the center from day one to present day. And that is the trailer.
There's so many fire women right now. Like, what? None of this came easy.
We have come through a lot. We have stood back up, and we'll always keep standing back up.
The beautiful thing about where we are right now, Black women in hip-hop are controlling their narrative in a way we've never fathomed.
I celebrate all women because there's space for you.
Oh, we will always be stronger together than we are apart. That's just how it is.
So guys, the series will be premiering on August 9th. But the big question everyone is asking is, where is Nicki Minaj? Because how do you do a rap documentary and somehow end up without Nicki Minaj? Why are you excluding her when she is one of the most successful female rappers of all time? She revived the whole genre, but she's still getting discredited. Make it make sense. Let us know what you think, because I don't understand it. It's Nicki Minaj. Why isn't Nicki Minaj in there? But guys, that's about it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do, everything entertainment, lifestyle. We've got you here at MX24. So follow us on all our social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.